Hey, and thank you for joining me on this quick review of the Crypto and NFT Tracker Notion template. Here, we are on the main dashboard, and I'll show you how it works. First, at the top, you have your purchases database. You can see that you have different views. When you make a new purchase, you need to go to the Add New view and fill out all these properties. The purchase date is automatically set up as today, the date at which you create a new row, because the database contains a template that is enabled by default. Then, input the asset, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Luna, etc. How many dollars you spent, and how many coins you got. Then, it will automatically calculate your asset purchase price here. You can also add a status, which will be holding by default. For this purchases database, you have two additional views. The per coin view lets you access all your purchases per coin. The growth view calculates the current growth of your asset based on the live asset price. You can also see your earnings per purchase and the total sum of your earnings here at the very bottom. The live asset prices are automatically added to your Notion if you set up the automation. There are instructions here to set up the automation. It uses make.com, http://make.com as the automation tool. It's quite easy to set up. The live prices are then automatically imported into the purchases database to make all the growth and earnings calculations. Beneath, you have the portfolio section. You retrieve all your different assets, and you can see your total number of coins, your total earnings, and the average growth for each of these assets. If you need to add a new asset, you can use the Add New view, and here you can input the data into these different properties. That's it for the crypto section. It's very easy to use, but you need to make sure to set up the automation properly. Then you have the NFT section. You have 4 different views. Once again, you retrieve the Add New view that you can use if you need to add a new NFT. It can be an NFT that you just purchased, that you sold, or that you wish. It will populate these 3 views. The wishlist will contain all the NFTs that you wish, sold all the ones that you sold, and portfolio all the ones that you currently own. To get the preview image here, it's really easy. If you click here, you see that we have a file property called artwork. You can upload the image of the NFT here, and it will be displayed in the gallery view. You can also retrieve additional properties, like the purchase price and the current price. The current price in dollars is automatically calculated based on the live asset prices that we already mentioned, the ones from the automation. Finally, you can find the original databases at the very bottom if you need to use them. I think that's it for the review of the dashboard. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I'd be more than happy to answer it. Have an awesome Notion day.